So in diffusion, molecules spread out. They go from an area of high concentration to low concentration.
Alright, so osmosis. In this situation, as you can see, there are a lot more red dots on the one side of this line than there are on the other side of this line. So if we were to do diffusion, this would just simply go from an area of high concentration to low concentration to cross this line. Now this line happens to be what's called a selectively permeable membrane. That means it allows some things to go through, but doesn't allow other things. Right? That red dot isn't going to be allowed to go through. So what is allowed to go through with osmosis? So these blue dots are going to represent water. And so the water can go through this membrane. Now remember our good friend diffusion we just talked about. So what's going to happen? Water is going to go from an area of high water concentration to an area of low water concentration. Remember, diffusion doesn't care about anything other than that particular substance, right? We don't care how many red dots there are on the inside of the cell compared to the outside of the cell when we're talking about the blue dots, in this case, water. So watch.